If you love bread but are following a keto diet, you are going to go crazy for this 3-ingredient keto bread recipe. In literally just seconds, you will have amazing bread that is keto-friendly to make sandwiches, toast and more. This keto bread recipe is so simple, takes very little time to prepare and satisfies that craving for bread. As always, please like and subscribe to see new videos dropping twice a week. Now let's get started.
Delicious.
Let's start out by adding 6 tablespoons of tahini in a bowl. What's tahini, you ask? Well, it's sesame paste, kind of like peanut butter but made from sesame seeds. Add 3 pieces of creamy Swiss cheese wedges, and start mixing. Next, you want to add 3 eggs and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and start mixing again. Once it's nice and mixed, pour the mixture in a silicone mold so they don't stick. Send it to the oven and bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. When it's out of the oven, it is going to be so yummy and will make staying on track with keto that much easier. While this recipe is by far the most popular of the keto bread recipes on our channel, we do have a handful of other bread recipes you may want to try. Like always, follow us on all social media and like and share our videos. Peace.
Oh yeah. Got some red beans and rice. Hot off the pot for you. Here we go. Take it on home. Go on.